Bam! The curl box came. So
that was really embarrassing. That was really cringy. I'm sorry.
Anyway, let's get into this box. So this is the Natural Fusion Chia Seed and Argan Oil Mask
collection. That's a collection.
So it's a thick mask. It smells good. It smells really good. So it deeply repairs and boosts hydration.
It smells like too perfumey to me. This is what it looks like.
This box includes Micellar Rosewater Cleanser, Lavender Rosewater Conditioner, Mallow Root Leave-In Conditioner, and the Chia Seed and Argan Oil Hair Mask. So this is the leave-in conditioner. This is the hair oil, full size. Wow, this will last a long time.
Ooh, I like the applicator. Okay, so that's one thing that I like about this is they have like the little applicator for the scalp. I like that sometimes they just give you like the little spray pumps, and I don't like those because I don't like putting it on my scalp.
This is the conditioner. So the Rosewater Cleanser, of course, it has the micellar technology to draw out impurities and build up for a gentler, more effective cleansing. Then the conditioner, it's infused with natural moisturizers to replenish and repair hair. The leave-in conditioner, it detangles hair for easier combing and styling. Okay, so this leave-in is supposed to have a lot of slip. We have 5 full-size products and the mask. Let me see.
They're all pretty big. These are gonna last us a long time.
And they all have that
perfumey smell.
They all have that same perfumey smell. I kind of like that smell. I don't have a problem with that smell.
I don't like it like this. It smells. You know what it smells like?
What?
Those sample like things that you get in a magazine, like a sample perfume. This is what this smells like. But it's like super strong to me.
It is strong. It has a strong scent.
Strong.
It smells like
I want to know
perfume.
how it smells like after. Like
personally, I don't have a problem with it, but hey, as long as it works good, I'm good. I'm good. How does this oil smell? The oil doesn't have that smell. I don't smell anything.
It has like a little smell of it. Like I like that because it's like not as strong.
It's not as strong.
These are really strong.
I may try this oil today. Right now I have my hair up in twists. I've had it up for like the last 4 or 5 days. I'm gonna try this oil when I take my twists down tomorrow.
I just had this.
All right, guys. So this is the November curl box. I'm curious. I'm interested. I'll try these out. I may even come back and do a review on the whole line. I may use it on my next wash day.
Probably gonna use these like twice.
Yeah, I'm gonna use this on my next wash day, and I'll let y'all know if they're good or not. So that was the November curl box. Thanks for watching. Bye.
Bye.